Why?
Okay, come on down. Come on. Hurry up.
What do you want?
Come on.
What do you want?
I want you to come down to the living room.
But what about my castle that I wanted?
Guess he moved the presents that you had.
How do you know I really wanted this? I'm going to play with it.
You want to play with it? Are you going to open up your presents?
Can you go put this stocking away?
Yeah, it's okay. Just leave it there. I want you to get some trash to make up for trash bags to get for you to open up your presents anyway.